Hi everyone from the beautiful Vancouver Island. My name is Mike and welcome to my channel, Natural Born Prepper. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the key features and components of preppingcommunities.com, a platform I created for preppers and homesteaders to come together to connect, prepare, and share information and resources with one another. For those of you who have not signed up, please do so now. Go to www.preppingcommunities.com and become a member now. Let's do it.
To me, Prepping Communities is like a Swiss Army knife. It's a platform that has several different tools, all combined into one convenient package to perform different functions when required. In the Prepping Communities platform, the different tools consist of members, groups, postings, maps, quizzes, chat, resources, and shop. In the rest of this video, I will go through each featured tool in the Prepping Communities platform to show you what it is and how it can help you in your prepping and homesteading journey. Members. Membership is a core tool of Prepping Communities. Once you register, you become a member. And once you're a member, you can easily find other members using maps and keyword searches. When you find other members, you can friend request them. You can privately send and receive text messages with your friends. View and register for group events. When you find a group, you can easily join them and see what other members are doing inside of their community groups. Join and leave as many Prepping Community groups as you like. In addition to text messages, use individual chat or group chat to instantly send and receive messages, images, and even emojis. Manage how members see you. You determine what information to keep about yourself and what other people see. Show a map of members near you. Show notifications like groups you join, member messages, new friend requests. Create new postings. Create and manage member reviews. Manage your account. Manage your friends and messages. Make friend requests to other members inside or outside of your groups. Accept or cancel friend requests. Add and remove friends from your list. Manage messages and conversations between friends and other members. Use the member tool on Prepping Communities to manage your profile and to find, connect, and message with other members. The group tool. Groups are a way to bring members together into communities to connect, prepare, and share information and resources with one another. With the Group Members tool, you can find community groups in your area and around the world. Use keywords or a map to find groups. Join and leave as many groups as you like. Public or open groups can be joined by any member at any time. Private or closed groups require members to request to join and need approval by the group manager. Find and sign up for group events. Post photos on your group album. Live chat with other members of your group. And if you want to create your own prepping community groups, you can sign up to become a group manager for just a few bucks a month. As a group manager, you can create and manage your own groups. Create groups for things like families, clubs, organizations, and events. Create group events for things like family reunions, outdoor clubs, courses and classes, hunting and fishing trips, meetings, geocaching, block parties, treasure hunts, barbecues, etc. The list is endless to what type of events you can create and schedule with your group. Use the Groups tool on Prepping Communities to find and join communities and groups of like-minded people to share information and to come together to help one another. Postings. In the Postings tool, find postings using categories or keywords. Find postings geographically, local or international, using our map feature. Easily create and manage your own postings and create postings for a variety of uses such as general information on prepping and homesteading. Create postings to sell, barter, or trade your own products and services. Create a posting to promote yourself, your business, your website, your social media platform. And you can create postings for almost anything, including promote your community or social events like farmers markets, town halls, etc. Categorize your postings so people can find them easily. Additionally, add content information to your postings such as your phone number, your email address, your website, and postal address. Add only the information you want people to see. Indicate if your posting can be shown on a map so people can find you geographically. And bookmark and save your favorite postings. Create and organize your own private posting library using the bookmark categories. Use the Postings tool to find and share information on Prepping Communities. Although we moderate all content according to our community guidelines, once you become a member, you can add as many postings as you like. Maps. Maps are an important feature of Prepping Communities to help people find things geographically. We found that it's easier for people to find things locally if they use a map of their local area. Maps can also be used to find things outside your local area Use the map tools to conveniently and geographically find almost anything. Quizzes or tests. Quizzes are new to prepping communities, and I have added over 100 different quizzes to test your knowledge on prepping and homesteading. Quizzes are categorized into different topics, such as survival skills and techniques, food and water security, shelter and living arrangements, energy and power, health and medical preparedness, economical and financial preparedness, community and social structures, security and defense, emergency preparedness, tools, technology, and do-it-yourself. The Quizzes tool on prepping communities helps you learn and understand your level of preparedness in over 100 different prepping topics. The chat tool. There are several ways to communicate with other members on prepping communities, including text messages, email, postings, and chat. Of these methods, chat provides the most immediate response. With the chat tool, you can instantly send and receive messages between members. Chat with individual members, privately or in groups. Group members can also chat privately within their own group. Future chat will include individual and group voice and video calls, screen sharing for group planning, and whiteboarding and other cool features like that. The chat tool in prepping communities is a powerful way to enable communication between members individually and inside of private groups. As the platform grows, I will be adding even more powerful ways to communicate with one another to connect, prepare, and share information and resources. And finally, resources and shop. The last two tools in the Prepping Communities platform are Resources and Shop. Use the Resources tool to find additional resources online, like social media sites such as YouTube and Rumble. Find books and magazines related to prepping and homesteading. Find websites. Find maps. Shop. I'm currently setting up a storefront on Prepping Communities to buy products to help support our platform. This will include products with the Natural Born Prepper brand, as well as Prepping Communities brand. Let me know what types of products you think we should offer. So that concludes going through the main tools available on the Prepping Communities platform. I hope it gave you a better understanding of the powerful tools and features available. And once you register, you don't have to join groups right away. I would suggest getting to learn the tool by using the Find Postings tool, and then taking some quizzes to see where you're at in your prepping and homesteading journey. Later, as you become more familiar with the site, connect with other members and use the chat tool. And when you're ready, find and join groups and sign up for group events. Remember, becoming a member on preppingcommunities.com is quick, easy, and it's free.
Okay, that takes care of going through preppingcommunities.com. If you haven't yet done so, sign up, become a member now. Everything I showed you in the video today is free to use online, just for signing up. Thanks everyone for watching the video. If you haven't yet done so, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Natural Born Prepper, out.